The life science industry is operating in a dynamic world. Continuity, operational innovation, regulatory compliance, and reduction in costs are more important than ever. Companies are faced with various challenges. How to improve these important factors, how to find single-use solutions that meet the specifications and requirements, how to create flexibility you are looking for. We feel the best way to solve these challenges is by working with a partner who can offer technical expertise, assembly capabilities, and understands the importance of customer service. Ultrapure International designs and manufactures single-use assemblies for our local solution providers across Europe. They are specialized in single-use technology and applications in life sciences. Ultrapure International provides peace of mind through supply chain management, reduction in cost, time and risk mitigation, and a rapid response to your questions and specific requirements. We serve our customers globally and act locally. Ultrapure International is part of the Indutrade Group. We are highly experienced in the single-use technology, products and applications, and have been operational in our cleanroom for many years. We add value to our customers not only through experience but also with custom brand, independent design, flexibility, and of course quality in the broadest sense of the word. Your specification is a primary in the creation of your assembly. With our open architecture approach, we can provide the right solution for your application with the components specified. This level of flexibility is how we differentiate ourselves in the market. At Ultrapure International, we have a strong focus on quality and have put structures in place to meet your quality needs. Your partner, not only for single-use systems, but also for hose assemblies and custom packaging. This is Ultrapure International. Want to know more? Go to our website ultrapureinternational.com or